Elevating your daily ritual begins with a sanctuary that balances rustic warmth and sleek utility. These curated IKEA hacks redefine the modern farmhouse aesthetic, blending smart functionality with elegant silhouettes. By optimizing underused spaces and introducing artisanal textures, we transform standard cabinetry into bespoke centerpieces. Discover how efficient layouts and stylish organization create a high-end atmosphere, ensuring your bathroom remains a serene, space-saving retreat tailored for sophisticated modern living. Number 1. Personalize Godmorgan with custom oak slats. The standard IKEA Godmorgan vanity often lacks the tactile warmth required for a true modern farmhouse vibe. By applying slender, vertical oak slats to the drawer fronts, you introduce architectural depth and a handcrafted feel. This hack solves the issue of sterile mass production by adding organic texture that masks the cabinet's utilitarian roots. The addition of oversized matte black pulls creates a striking contrast against the pale wood, anchoring the piece in contemporary design. Functionality is preserved through the internal dividers, while the exterior achieves a custom-built, high-end furniture appearance. It is a masterclass in blending Swedish efficiency with rustic artisanal charm for a sophisticated result. Number 2. Repurpose hemness bookcase for open storage. In bathrooms where closet space is at a premium, the IKEA hemness bookcase serves as an ideal vertical storage solution. By removing the back panel and painting the pine frame in a soft charcoal hue, you create an airy, open shelving unit that feels intentional and high-end. Swapping standard hardware for brass knobs introduces a subtle touch of luxury. This hack optimizes vertical space without crowding the flow plan, allowing for easy access to folded linens and decorative baskets. The contrast between the dark wood and white rolled towels provides a crisp, clean look. It bridges the gap between traditional farmhouse shapes and the sleek efficiency of modern Nordic design. Number 3. Mount Beckfam racks for skincare organization. Visual clutter on the countertop is the enemy of modern farmhouse serenity. The humble IKEA Beckfam spice rack offers a brilliant solution when mounted to the wall in a staggered vertical configuration. Sand the raw wood and apply a clear matte sealant to highlight the grain, or paint them to match your wall color for a seamless look. These racks provide a dedicated home for apothecary bottles and skincare essentials, freeing up valuable vanity space. This hack works because it utilizes wall real estate that often goes to waste. The result is a clean, organized, and visually appealing display that feels like a boutique hotel spa-like environment. Number 4. Create custom built-in storage with Billy. Achieving a seamless, custom-built look on a budget is possible by integrating the IKEA Billy bookcase into a recessed wall niche. To capture the modern farmhouse spirit, add shaker-style trim and crown molding to the top, then paint the entire unit in a muted sage green. This hack solves the problem of disjointed furniture by making the storage feel like part of the home's architecture. The adjustable shelves accommodate bulky baskets and delicate glass jars alike, maximizing every inch of space. The sophisticated color and integrated molding enhance the bathroom's visual appeal, creating a sense of permanence and luxury that elevates the entire room's aesthetic. Number 5. Style the Roskog cart as mobile spa. For small bathrooms requiring flexible layout solutions, the IKEA Roskog cart is an indispensable tool. To align with a modern farmhouse theme, choose the cream or black version and add custom wooden inserts to the trays. This creates a flat surface for styling candles, bath salts, and greenery. The cart's mobility allows you to move essentials from the shower to the vanity as needed, optimizing the flow of a compact space. By keeping daily items off fixed surfaces, the room feels larger and more organized. The combination of metal and wood materials provides a balanced industrial meets rustic look that is both functional and highly photogenic in any contemporary setting. Number 6. Organize daily essentials with Scardus pegboards. The IKEA Scardus pegboard is a versatile asset for those seeking a contemporary take on a farmhouse style. Mount the white pegboard on the back of the bathroom door or a sidewall to create a customized organizational hub. By using the specialized containers and hooks, you can arrange brushes, hair tools, and soaps in an aesthetically pleasing grid. This hack solves the issue of messy drawers by keeping frequently used items visible and reachable. To maintain the farmhouse vibe, integrate a few wooden shelves or hanging plants. This system maximizes space-saving potential while adding a modern graphic element to the room's decor that feels curated rather than cluttered. Number 7. Convert Ivar cabinets into floating vanities. The IKEA Ivar cabinet is a solid pine canvas perfect for a rustic modern transformation. By wall-mounting 2 Ivar units side by side, you create a unique floating vanity with a heavy wood presence. Sanding the wood and applying a light whitewash stain preserves the natural grain while brightening the space. Replace the standard doors with cane or rattan webbing to add organic texture and allow for airflow. This hack improves functionality by clearing floor space, making the bathroom feel larger and easier to clean. The combination of natural wood, woven textures, and sleek wall-mounting techniques results in a breathtaking high-end focal point that exudes warmth and modern sophistication.
Number 8. Utilize mulga benches for layered storage. Finding the right balance between open and closed storage is key to the modern farmhouse look. Placing an IKEA mulga bench beneath a wall-hung sink or a pedestal sink offers a stylish solution for underused space. The slatted dark walnut finish provides a grounded architectural element that contrasts beautifully with white ceramic fixtures. Use the lower shelf for oversized wicker baskets to hide extra toilet paper or bulky items, while the top shelf can hold neatly folded towels. This hack works by adding a functional surface without the visual weight of a full cabinet. It enhances the room's flow and introduces a calming, spa-like atmosphere through its linear design.
Number 9. Install end-head frames for industrial shelving. Over-the-toilet storage often looks cluttered, but the IKEA end-head wall frame system offers a sleek, industrial farmhouse alternative. The matte black metal frame creates a sharp, modern silhouette against light-colored walls. By adding oak effect shelves, you introduce the necessary warmth for the farmhouse aesthetic. This hack solves the problem of dead space by providing sturdy, open shelving for canisters and decorative items. The open design prevents the area from feeling boxed in, maintaining an airy and spacious feel. It enhances visual appeal through its clean lines and high-contrast material pairing, proving that even the most functional areas of a bathroom can be designed with elegance and purpose.
Elevate your home with these bespoke transformations today. These simple adjustments turn everyday items into extraordinary statements of style. If you enjoyed these design secrets, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.